Hi everyone, Dr. Will here out at back at the barn here in beautiful Venice, Florida. Brought the kids in. It's that time of year in Florida where you have to bring the horses in for a couple hours a day because the sun's so hot and it's humid, and today there's no wind or anything, so bring them in for a couple of days so they don't overheat. This is Mr. Shikai again for everybody. I just wanted to do a quick update and post and talk about I'm double blessed. I just got back from a week in Las Vegas. Not that I won. I don't gamble. I got to attend and present quite a bit at the world's largest hypnosis conference, HypnoThoughts Live. It was a great conference. Had over 600 people. We missed for all you people watching this that are overseas, we missed you that couldn't get here due to the travel restrictions, and we even sweated out the new mask mandate. And it was kind of fun. They handled it very well, but I'm doubly blessed, right? Because, well, actually, probably I should say triply blessed. I got to go to Las Vegas, teach a couple of the things I'm absolutely passionate about, with hypnosis and NLP, addictions, and a little thing on, how words light up your neurology. And then I come home and, what's waiting for me is couple of DVDs, director's cuts of films I was recently in. I was one of the leads in a film called Cruel Summer. Had its world premiere a couple weeks ago in Jacksonville, Florida. I haven't had the chance to see it because I had a medical procedure done right before that, so I couldn't be there. But I'm looking forward to watching the movie. And I hope everybody, once it's available to the public, I expect you all to buy it and give rave reviews on IMDb. But that was great. And then I got another DVD of a film where I was reprising a role as a newscaster. And so, I get to do one thing I love with the hypnosis and NLP, and then I get to do another thing I love, which is come home and see that, do the work, as they say, and it starts to pay off, being in a few films with really good roles, with really talented casts, and having a lot of fun, just like at HypnoThoughts with talented hypnotists, and try to be the best that I can be. Because my goal, and all the people I train, is this: I want you to be exceptional among exceptional people. I want you to be outstanding around a group of exceptional people. Don't settle for just being good, because that's okay. But what if you're good among people that are good? That's what we work for, and I get to hang around with people like that. It's a lot of fun. And then I guess the triple blessing would be then I come home and, my dog's waiting for me, and then I get to come out here with these, hay burners, as we call them. What are horses good for? Hey, burning your money. But there they are. That's Mr. Shikai over here. He's our senior co-therapist. That's Miss Penny. They're not paying much attention. They're eating. But anyway, I just wanted to put out there that I'm double blessed. If you like this, click like and share. And I had a lot of fun at that conference. Got to teach some new stuff. One of the things I got to throw out there, here's a quick technique. It's called the flip. I've been doing it a little while, but I keep, modifying it, which is if you think about something that used to be true and now is not, the thing that used to be true and now is not isn't in a certain part of your mind. Like, I used to live in Indiana, now I live here. I used to not want to take care of horses. Now I actually enjoy taking care of horses. So the idea of not taking care of horses is in the back of my mind, or living in Indiana, right? And then if I think about something I want to do that I haven't done yet, if I think about what is something I had to learn how to do that now I'm pretty good at, and I enjoy doing, I could say taking care of horses. So if I'm trying to make a change, like stop procrastination on working on a new project, I put that in the part of my mind that used to be true and now is not. And I put the idea of me doing that little technique into the part of my mind that's true for me now. It's just like, hey, I didn't know it. I didn't know I'd like taking care of horses and doing all this stuff. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fascinating. So I call that the flip, right? And tomorrow I'll share with you an advanced version that is magical. So if you like this, click like and share. Please leave a comment. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me or whatever that is on Facebook. On YouTube, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to start posting everything on YouTube. And what I'll try to do is just talk about something fun, and then again, give a technique, an insight, a tip, something you can use. So again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to play with TikTok. That one drives me nuts. But on Instagram, Facebook, and of course, YouTube. So wherever you're watching this, click like and share. Please leave a comment. That's for the algorithm to pick it up. Have some fun with this. But the flip, think about something that used to be true and now it's no longer. Like your little kid, you probably believed in Santa Claus, now you don't. There's no anger about it. I don't believe in it anymore. Anything about something that's true for me now. You know, I believe I can drive a car. So what if I put the idea of something I don't like? It's like when I used to believe in Santa Claus. Now I don't, right? And I put the idea of the thing I want into that part of my mind. And so everyone have a great day. It's my joy, like I say, triply blessed. I get to go and teach among some of the best hypnotists, NLPers, and change agents in the world at HypnoThoughts Live. That was fun in beautiful Las Vegas. Handled the lockdown and a couple other things that happened there very well. Then I get to come home and see I haven't watched them yet, the movies I was just in. That's going to be great. And then, I get to take care of the animals. So I hope everyone's doing great. Keep in touch. Please follow me. Click like and share.